Hi everybody, welcome back to the podcast. We're here from the IBEX studio here in Tampa, Florida, and we're going to hear about one of the exhibitors at the Startup Pavilion here at IBEX 2025. So I'm here with David. Good to see you, David.
Ben, great to be here.
Thank you. So tell us about what you do. What are you all about?
Sure. So I'm a co-founder and CEO at Cohesive Robotics. We help manufacturers basically automate some of their more common but really hazardous, challenging processes that are really common in industries like boat building,
Right.
where you have sanding, you're polishing the metals, fixing.
Yes, there's
sanding
really repetitive,
fiberglass.
monotonous tasks that are kind of just,
Exactly.
labor intensive, pretty difficult to be consistent and up to quality
Right.
all the time, right? Yeah.
Quality is a big issue, but a really big issue is in terms of the workforce, right? And finding folks who want to do this work.
Yeah, we've got a labor
reliable.
shortage in the industry.
Absolutely.
It's difficult to find and retain the right people. And so what kind of solutions are you bringing to the table? Are these robotics? Are these kind of just augmenting a worker with different tools? What does the solution look like?
Right, so we produce a AI-powered turnkey robotic work cell.
Okay.
It runs our software called Argus OS. Basically, it uses a 3D camera to scan the work piece or area or boat, for example, whatever needs to be processed.
Yeah.
And then it programs the robot on the fly to perform that work. And previously, a manufacturer would have had to program that robot
Right, yeah, of course.
with a teach pendant. It could take days, weeks to
or
do
more.
that, or more.
Yeah.
And it just wasn't feasible to adopt robotics in these applications. And so now, with our types of solutions, we're able to automate those processes for those manufacturers.
So fundamentally, I'll kind of watch the task being done through this camera and then work out how to automate it and actually program to do it.
Fundamentally, the operator is putting the piece or work pieces in the work cell area.
Yeah.
They're selecting the process options, which are
Right,
very
okay.
basic domain expert level, like
Yeah.
the amount of force you want to apply to the part, how fast, the abrasive that might be loaded,
Yeah.
or we also support welding, so those parameters. So very basic level parameters, and then they're basically pushing go, and the robot takes care of the rest.
And then relax, hands off. So,
Hands off.
And how big are these tasks, and how big can the piece be? Are we talking like boat-sized pieces? Are we talking about something that you can hold in the hand? How big or small can these be?
So we can support a wide variety of sizes.
Yeah.
We do have some turnkey standard sizes available for quicker turnarounds for implementation and deployments.
Yeah.
But we can support a variety of customizations and different configurations.
Right, okay. And
Yeah.
you're here at IBEX. Who are you looking to meet? Why do you come here to meet them?
Sure. So we're super excited to be here at IBEX. We're looking to chat more with boat builders, shipbuilding, anyone in that supply chain who is struggling to meet the growing demands, have the production throughput that they need, or might be having quality issues. And maybe they're just starting their automation journey.
Right.
Or they've already, along those ways, they've automated some things already, but haven't been able to automate some of the more high mix processes they have.
So did this start quite consultative and saying, okay, what's the situation? And then let's augment that, let's improve it. Is that kind of how you work? Or
Exactly.
Is it, yeah, it's exactly like that. Okay, good, yeah.
We do look at partnering with those companies, meet them where they're at in their automation journey.
Yeah.
We strive to really focus on the small and medium-sized manufacturers, especially where they have those high mix requirements.
Yeah.
And those challenges.
Yeah,
And so,
I bet you get a really wide variety where some people are like, oh, we didn't know you could automate that, and it's kind of pretty basic automation, into some people who are all over it and have been doing it for years and are at that cutting edge of, okay, there's new technology on the market that's available, and they're kind of pushing that boundary.
Absolutely, yeah. It definitely runs the gamut.
Yeah.
Whether you're just starting out, maybe you've added, say, a laser cutter or a CNC machine to your operations, and now you're looking to adopt more advanced robotics. Or you have maybe multiple welding robots already,
Yeah.
and you're looking to add more automation. Maybe you need to add a second shift to your operations or a third shift, or just boost your production with the staff you have today. Those are common conversations we're having with folks.
Okay, cool. And why do you engage, and how does it help being part of Yachting Ventures? What have they done that kind of gives you that leg up to enter the industry?
Yeah, I mean, partnering up with Yachting Ventures has been great.
It makes a lot of sense, right?
You know, helping us understand the market a little bit better, right? Come to here to IBEX,
Yeah.
And start fostering those relationships, especially in this industry.
Yeah. What do you mean by understanding the market a little bit? I mean, I've always been in this industry.
Yeah.
So that's all I know. That's my only perspective. But as somebody trying to break into the industry, why is that so helpful?
So I think it's helpful to really understand the unique needs of the industry, and every industry, even though every industry is doing, say, sanding, for example.
Right, okay.
You know, it's going to be different requirements, different throughput needs, different things that are unique to each industry. And, you know, it's really helpful for us to come here, speak with folks face to face, show them our technology and our
understand their
capabilities.
problems, all that kind of thing. Starting at that point rather than coming to market saying, we have a great solution for you. Oh, maybe we don't. And find it later on the line.
Right,
It's much easier, like, understand them right from the start and then gradually grow in the market and do it that way.
It's certainly not a one size fits all type of area, right?
Yeah.
And so just like with boat building, we know that's the case with automation. And so, you know, it really helps to have these types of venues here, and these groups like Yachting Ventures, fostering those connections.
Okay, perfect. Lovely to meet you, David. Good luck.
Pleasure,
And
Ben.
thank you very much for coming on the podcast.
Thank you for having me.
Everybody, if you enjoy content like this, make sure you're following here to see plenty more of it. All being well, we'll see you very soon. Bye for now.